Here in the Paella Club to have an amazing cooking experience that's gonna smash your life forever, bitch.
So we're at the Paella Club, and I've been bullied by the host 3 times.
I want to give a huge round of applause because you made paella!
The bread, and you put the tomato.
So over here. Ladies and gentlemen. Because now it's made out of
Casey's been saying paella for the last 3 days.
And how did we do in the Paella Club?
And how did you
How
do
did
it?
we do?
Astonishing, amazing, fantastic.
Update? Not drunk, but definitely tipsy.
Pretty tipsy. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm tipsy.
He had so much fun.
Yeah.
So we're leaving our cooking class right now. There was a college student there, probably 20 years old, who thought Daisy was 48
Yeah.
and that I was 22 and that
that's not how
he
that's
thought
not-
that
no, no,
Daisy
that's
was
not-
my
yeah.
father.
He turned to me and he went, "So, are you her father?" And I went, "Excuse me?" And he went, "Oh yeah, you're her father?" I went, "Oh yes, I'm her father, yes."